Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up a persistent menu, or we all know as an icebreaker on messengers. So let's get started. First of all, as well, you need to choose the page that you want to set up and then you click on the manage. Once you click, you go to on the left side menu and then you go to auto replies and then click on inbox setup. And then you scroll down here to the persistent menu on messenger section, and then if you really don't know where is the icebreaker, you can click to see the example here. Okay, so it's a three-line icon on messengers, so this is the icebreaker or persistent menu where the customers can click. Okay, so let's get set up. First of all, I will turn it on the toggle like this. As well, you can see on the left side is the menu where you can put your keywords and menus. On the right side, you can put a response message. Okay, so first I will put like my payment. Okay, so this is the tab for the additional info that you can attach. So I will choose the payment instruction because I already set it up on the shop setup, if you can remember. So I put like this, so the system will auto generate. So it comes together with the photo that I already attached on the shop setup. So my second menu will be like shop. I will attach the URL. So I have my online store, so I will copy my online store link and then pets. So the third menu, I would like my contact. And then I choose text and image, so I can put I can complete my contact. So like as well, Facebook page, funny shop, my Instagram, funny shop, facial like this. If you have photos, you can attach. Okay, so once you are done, you scroll down here and then you can click save. So let's see all the messengers. Okay, so click on the icebreaker here. You will see payment, shop, and then contact. Okay, so let's see for the payment, how is response. Okay, so here, this is my response message. It comes together with the image that I already attached. Okay, let's see another one for shop. It will auto redirect to my online store link. Okay, so this is my online store. It will auto redirect to that. Okay, so the third one is my contact. Okay, so this is my response message for the contact. And that's all for this video.